All right, let's bring in Elena and take another look at that. Yeah, the system that just won't leave.
4 days in a row. Welcome. Thank you for all the rain. We need it. We'll take it. But this has been an impressive amount. And when I was showing you this futurecast yesterday, it showed that it was impacting the southern portion of Kern County. And in fact, Tehachapi and Fraser Park both getting Fraser Park a little bit less, Tehachapi a little bit more than half an inch just within the last about 12 hours. And you see it's been spilling over down into Arvin. So up into McFarland and Delano, they're dry. But Bakersfield has some wet streets, and we had 1/100 of an inch of rain. So it has been measurable here on the valley floor as we are heading into the 5 o'clock hour here, and it's all that same storm. So it came in off the ocean, very slowly marched towards San Francisco. Now it's been sliding down the coastline for the last 4 days. This is the last of its punch is today. You're going to see that it's tracking on shore to our south and then up to our east. So with that, we still have the moisture in the area. We still have wraparound on the backside that's going to continue to bring us some showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. But this is looking to be the heaviest rain of the day. Watch how here we are at sunrise and things start to kind of taper off. And then as we head into lunchtime, everything's pushing off to the east. That storm is on the move and it's dragging everything with it. But there's still some moisture in the area and we still have enough heat out there. We're talking some 70s this afternoon on the valley floor to cause the convection, the uplift, the instability, and therefore I've left a chance of some pop-up thunderstorms along our mountains heading into this afternoon and this evening, and then we're drying out. For the weekend ahead, you're going to see that system's finally out of here, but here comes the next one. So a cool breeze comes down from the north, taking us back to our more seasonal upper 60s for Saturday and Sunday, and then that system gets very closely wound and it has all of that cold air in it. The nice thing is it looks to stay just off the coastline, just like this last storm. So while it's much colder and not as wet, it's wetter than the last couple storms we've had for 2020 that took a similar track right down California. By the time they got to us, they were pretty dry. This one, watch how it drops those temperatures to the 50s by Tuesday, St. Patrick's Day, and it's still holding on to a 50 to 70% chance of rain because it can tap into that ocean moisture. Now for the valley, it's just rain. We're going to see it finally starting to move out on Wednesday, drying out by Thursday, first day of spring, Danielle. And it feels more like spring out there, some upper 60s. I call out Danielle because she's really ready for some warm and dry weather. If you're the same, heading into next weekend looks like your bet. For now, Kern River Valley, Tehachapi, Fraser Park, I mentioned the rain this morning and then the chance of those pop-up thunderstorms this afternoon. Cool breezes, some passing clouds for the weekend ahead. Kern River Valley, it's rain early next week. Tehachapi, Fraser Park, it could be some snow. Now it's going to be that alternating forecast. In the morning when we're our coldest, to see these 30s here for our overnight lows, there's a chance of that snow trying to get all the way down to past level. There's also a chance for accumulating snow at our higher elevations. But then during the day, we're in the 50s and some 40s. That's cold jacket weather out there, but it turns it back to rain. So this is kind of a slushy snowstorm. We'll keep a close eye on the passes and the potential for any possible school delays heading into early next week. Now let's take a quick look at our traffic because